Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to today's program. Please press the subscription button if you've not subscribed to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever we upload a new video. Please, the video you're about to watch is very, very critical, imperative, and inevitable that you just have to watch it and take some cautious lessons that is attached to it. You see, the world we are is rapidly switching into online activities, basically, because they say the more you look, the less you see. It's exactly what is happening. Everything is rapidly being digitalized, and it has a lot of implications. Some persons uses this digital platform for positive, reasons. Some use it for businesses. Some use it for fame. Some use it critically or basically for evil purposes. You see, there is paramount importance, especially in the country where all these digital platforms are not well regulated, like Nigeria, for one to be very, very careful and security conscious. This video is about a young man who discovered hidden cameras in the rooms where he is. He himself, the mother, and other persons he went to that place with, all lodged. And aside that, there have been a number of persons since the operational, launching of that hotel, or maybe from the inception of the day they added that camera, or hid that camera in all those rooms that have been using that hotel. Now, I want to take you to at least 2 or more implications of this very act. There are possibilities of checkmating the security activities of their clients with regards to their private affairs. Imagine if you go to that hotel with money, your ID, your personal contacts, and other secret activities which you are likely to do in your personal rooms can also be done in hotels. It is possible that it is the same activities you do in your houses, that is the same activities you do in the hotels, the same secret room activities, and other, you just feel you're in your house and no need of being security conscious. You live like your details very volatile, and these people are likely to copy your details. Can you imagine how many persons they may have invaded their bank details? Can you imagine how many persons they may have kidnapped? Can you imagine how many persons they may have robbed of their valuable properties? Because the possibility of collecting somebody's address, collecting somebody's private, informations, and trace the person to the location wherever is there. Now, the other point is basically the nakedness of all their clients. Remember, somebody is monitoring this CCTV. So do you know that there are possibilities of using the information gathered in this CCTV with regards to the nakedness of their clients for porn marketization purposes? A situation whereby they go to porn stars, reach a deal, or even open their sites for fun purposes, just for fun, and upload all these informations. There are a lot of implications with this, with regards to this. Defamation of the client's, character, because there's nobody you will see in all this may be, if they have reviewed or maybe misused these informations online, nobody will believe that their clients never committed such, act intentionally. It's just a kind of secret room activities. So my advice is, if you are traveling to Nigeria, any country, especially least developed countries, the possibilities for this is very, very high. Doing similar things like this and even worse than this, it's just that God revealed this one to the person that went to that hotel. And I pray the security agency should do their work very efficiently with this regard, because a lot of people have fallen victim of this particular hotel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Take a look at the video yourself.
Video in my law Insta blog. Video in my law Insta blog. You're putting cameras in the people's room, right? What the fuck name is the hotel? Video in my law Insta blog. What the fuck is the name of the hotel? What? Imagine you're putting camera.
Go closer. This is a room in the hotel we are sleeping at Ayepe. We just found out that there's a camera installed in every room. These were the 4 we removed from other rooms. Look at them. These are the 4 we removed from other rooms. This is the 5th one. The 5th room we've just found out that there's a camera inside. Now I'm going to remove the camera. Look at the camera. Can you see clearly? This is the camera. I'm dragging it out now. This has recorded my brother's nakedness. This has recorded my mother's nakedness, my uncle's nakedness. Because immediately they finish bathing, they come out from the bathroom naked. This is the camera. This is the 5th camera in the room. This is the 5th camera in the room. Sure you can see. Go closer. Sure you can see. Alright. This is the hotel. Look, video the hotel surroundings very well so that they won't deny. They won't have evidence against us.
I need the name, Seth.
I need the name of the hotel. We'll check online. Let us even check the bathroom whether there is camera inside. Oh, so far I can't find any camera. Who knows whether it's hidden inside the roof or in sockets.
Things
happen in Nigeria.
Inside AC. You would never find out, or you would never even figure out that there was a camera installed here. That's a hole for camera. Please, you guys should be careful.
Hello.